All right, here's a radical equation you need to solve. Since there's two radicals, you need to isolate one of them, square things, move stuff around, and then you're going to have to square things twice. To get rid of both, you need to isolate, square once, move stuff around, isolate the last one, and then square, and then move things around. I'll show you. So for this first one, I need to isolate either this radical or this radical. It's probably easier to add this one to both sides. So I'll rewrite this as the square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 3 plus the square root of x minus 2. Okay, now I can square both sides. Square this side, square this side. On the left side, when you square a square root, they cancel. So that'll just be left with 2x plus 5. On the right side, there's two of those, so I need to write them both out. And then I need to FOIL that. All right, so 2x plus 5 stays here. On this side, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times that will be a positive 3x minus 2. This times this will be another positive 3x minus 2. Notice they're like terms. And then last, this times this will be plus the square root of x minus 2 times the square root of x minus 2. Now, since these are both the same, that is really saying the same thing as the square root of x minus 2 all squared. So the squared and the square root cancel out. Okay, so let's write what we have. 2x plus 5 equals 9. Like terms, so I can say that's plus 6 root x minus 2. And then this here will just be plus x minus 2, because the square and the square root cancel each other out. Okay, collect like terms, so let's maybe subtract x here, subtract x there, subtract 9, subtract 9. Here we'll add 2, and here we're going to have to add another 2. So this goes away, as do those. So I'll be left with x. Okay, 5 take away 9 is negative 4. Plus 2 is negative 2, I think. Let me look at that. Yeah, that's right. Equals 6 times the square root of x minus 2. Okay, I think we're doing okay now. So now I've isolated this square root sign again, so now I can square both sides. So I'll square this, and I'll square this. On the left, that'll be 2 of these, which I'll need to FOIL, is equal to, on this side, I have to square the 6, so that'll be 36. And then the square of a square root cancels, so that'll just be an x minus 2. Okay, take a look, make sure you're okay with that. On the left side, x squared minus 2x minus another 2x plus 4, just FOILing that. And then here, again, distributive property, so 36x minus 72. Now, since it's a quadratic, I'll leave everything on the left side. Minus 2x minus x is minus 4x plus 4. And then I'll subtract 36x and add 72. So, subtract 36x, add 72, equals 0. Collect like terms, minus 4x and minus 30, that'd be minus 40x. 4 plus 72 would be 76, equals 0. Okay, still going. Now, I need to factor that. So things that multiply to 76 and add to 40. I know it's going to be an x and an x. Now, I looked at the answers, and I think there was a 38 and a 2 in there. 38 times 2 is 76, and when you add them, it's 40. Those are my numbers. So minus 38 and minus 2. Therefore, either x minus 38 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. So x is 38 or x is equal to 2. That's a whole lot of work. But since they're radicals, I need to go back and check. So let's take and go back and check there. So my answers are 38 and 2. Let's just try this. Let's put a 2 in. Let's see if that'll work. So if I put a 2 in there, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So this side I have a 3. And then I'm putting a 2 in there. 2 minus 2 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. Yeah, so that works. So I was looking for 38 and 2. 2 I've checked off. So 2 works. Let's try 38. So let's put a 38 right there and a 38 right there. Okay, 2 times 38, 76, plus 5 is 81. And the square root of 81 is 9. 38 minus 2 is 36. The square root of 36 is 6. And 9 take away 6, yeah, sure enough, is 3. So 38 works as well. So in my answers down at the bottom there, I would say both 38 and 2 work. Hopefully that helps you with that question.